Albert Einstein was a German-born physicist who is widely considered one of the most influential scientists of the 20th century. He developed the theory of relativity, which fundamentally changed our understanding of space and time, and made important contributions to the development of quantum mechanics. He also developed the famous equation E=mc², which shows the equivalence of mass and energy. Einstein was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921 for his work on theoretical physics, specifically for his discovery of the law of the photoelectric effect. He was also a peace activist and a supporter of civil rights, and was known for his outspoken views on political and social issues. His work and ideas have had a profound impact on science, technology, and culture, and he remains one of the most recognizable and celebrated figures in history. Here are some lesser-known facts about Albert Einstein. 1. Einstein was a talented musician and played the violin. He often played music to help him relax and work through problems. 2. He was a slow learner as a child and did not start speaking until he was 3 years old. 3. Einstein failed his entrance exam to the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology in Zurich the first time he took it. 4. Einstein was offered the presidency of Israel in 1952, but declined the offer. 5. He was offered the position of King of Israel by Zionist leaders in 1919, but he also declined this offer. 6. Einstein was married twice and had 3 children. His second wife, Elsa Einstein, was also his cousin. 7. He was an avid sailor and often went sailing on a small boat called the Tinef with his close friend and fellow physicist, Michel Bessot. 8. Einstein was a pacifist and opposed the use of nuclear weapons. He urged world leaders to work towards international cooperation and disarmament. 9. Einstein's brain was preserved after his death, and researchers have been studying it for insights into his genius. 10. Einstein's eyes are preserved in a safety deposit box in New York City. They were removed during an autopsy in 1955 and given to Einstein's eye doctor as a token of appreciation. Here are some fun facts about Albert Einstein. 1. Einstein loved to sail, and he once said that sailing was the best way for him to relax and get his mind off of his work. 2. Einstein was offered the presidency of Israel in 1952, but he declined the offer, saying that he was deeply moved by the offer, but felt that he was too old for the job. 3. Einstein was known for his love of the violin, and he played regularly throughout his life. He once said that if he hadn't been a physicist, he would have been a musician. 4. Einstein's eyes were a unique shade of blue-gray, and many people who met him commented on how striking and memorable they were. 5. Einstein was a vegetarian and believed strongly in animal rights. He once wrote, "Nothing will benefit human health and increase chances of survival for life on Earth as much as the evolution to a vegetarian diet." 6. Einstein was a bit of a prankster and loved to play practical jokes on his friends and colleagues. One of his favorite pranks was to put a toy mouse in a colleague's drawer, and then watch their reaction when they opened it. 7. Einstein loved to travel and gave lectures all over the world. He once said that travel is more than the seeing of sights, it is a change that goes on, deep and permanent, in the ideas of living. 8. Einstein's famous equation E=mc² has become a cultural icon, and has been referenced in countless movies, TV shows, and books. 9. Einstein's brain was actually smaller than average, but it had a higher density of neurons in certain areas, which may have contributed to his genius. 10. Einstein was once asked how it felt to be the smartest man in the world, and he replied, "I don't know, you'll have to ask Nikola Tesla."